Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri Shivdashari, yoga instructor at Ayush Health and Wellness Center, RMD College. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, this year's Yoga Day will be celebrated on virtual platform. The theme of IDY 2021 is Be with Yoga, Be at Home. Yoga is the necessary part of our life. In the current situation, yoga is helping us mentally as well as physically. It improves oxygen level, boosts our immunity system. So now I am going to demonstrate some standing asanas.
A warm-up or loosening exercise and stretches before asanas is mandatory to avoid injuries. So let's begin with loosening practices. First, neck bending. Stand with the feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Keep the hands straight beside the body. Keep your arms on the waist. While exhaling, move the head forward slowly and try to touch the chin to the chest. While inhaling, move the head up and bend back comfortably. Right and left bending. While exhaling, bend the head slowly to the right. Bring the ear as close as possible to the shoulder without raising the shoulder. While inhaling, bring the head to the normal position. Similarly, while exhaling, bend the head to the left side. Inhale and bring the head up to normal position. Right and left twisting. Keep the head upright. While exhaling, gently turn the head to the right so that the chin is in line with the shoulder. While inhaling, bring the head to the normal position. Similarly, while exhaling, turn the head to the left. Inhale and bring the head to the normal position. Neck rotation. Exhale, bend the head forward to touch the chin to the chest. Inhale, slowly rotate the head clockwise in a circular motion. Exhale while coming down. Do a full rotation. Then rotate the head in an anti-clockwise direction. Inhale, go back and exhale. Come down. Shoulder stretch. Keep the feet together, the body straight and the arms by the sides. While inhaling, raise your both arms sideways above your head with the palm outward. Exhale and bring it down in the same manner. Palms must be open with fingers together. Shoulder rotation. Stand erect. Place the fingers of left hand on the left shoulder and the fingers of right hand on the right shoulder. Full rotation of the both elbows in a circular manner. Inhale and raise your elbows and bring them back when you exhale. Try to touch the elbows in front of the chest on the forward movement. Stretch the elbows back in the backward movement and touch the side of the trunk while coming down. Repeat this 2 times, rotating from front to back. Do the same in reverse manner. Inhale while raising the elbows and exhale while bringing them down. Trunk movement. Keep the legs about 2 to 3 feet apart. Raise both the arms up to shoulder level with palms facing each other and keep them parallel. While exhaling, twist the body towards the left side so that the right palm touches the left shoulder. Come back with inhalation. While exhaling, twist the body towards the right side so that the left palm touches the right shoulder. Come back with inhalation. Knee movement. Inhale. Lift your arms up to the shoulder level. palms facing downwards. Exhale. Bend the knees and bring down the body to the semi-squatting position. In the final position, both the arms and thighs should be parallel to the ground. Inhale and strengthen the body. Exhale while bringing down the hands. These are some Sukshma Vayamas. Sukshma Vayamas help to increase microcirculation. These practices can be done while standing and sitting. Tadasana. Stand with feet 2 inches apart. Interlock the fingers and turn the wrist outwards. Now inhale, raise the arms up above your head. Raise the heels off the floor and balance on the toes as you raise your arms. Stay in the position for 10 to 30 seconds. Bring the heels down. Exhale. Release the interlock of the fingers and bring the arms down and come back to standing posture. This asana brings stability in the body, helps to clear up congestion of the spinal nerves and corrects faulty posture, helps to increase height up to a certain age. Vrukshasana. Stand with feet 2 inches apart. Focus on a point in front. Exhale, hold and bend the right leg, then place the foot on the inner side of the left thigh. Inhale and extend the arms up and join the palms together for Namaskar Mudra. Stay in the position for 10 to 30 seconds and breathe normally. Exhale, bring the arms down, release the right leg and bring it to initial position. Repeat this asana for the left side also. The benefits of these asanas are it helps to improve neuromuscular coordination, balance, endurance, alertness and concentration. It tones up the leg muscles and rejuvenates the ligaments. Padahastasana. Stand straight with feet 2 inches apart. Inhale slowly and raise the arms up. Stretch up the body from waist. Exhale and bend forward. Maintain this position for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Those who are suffering with stiff back should bend according to their capacity. Now inhale, come up slowly to the upright position and stretch the arms straight above the head. Exhale, slowly return to the starting position in a reverse order. Benefits of these asanas are it makes the spine flexible, improves digestion, prevents constipation and menstrual problems. Ardha Chakrasana. Support the back at the sides of the waist with the fingers. Drop the head backwards, stretching the neck muscles. As you inhale, bend backwards. Exhale and relax. Stay here for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Benefits of these asanas are Ardha Chakrasana makes the spine flexible and strengthen the spinal nerves, strengthen the spinal muscles and improves breathing capacity. Trikonasana. Stand with your feet with 3 feet apart. Inhale slowly, raise both the arms sideways up to shoulder level. Turn the right foot towards right side. Exhale, slowly bend to the right side and place the right hand just behind the right foot. The left arm straight in line the right arm. Turn the left palm forward. Turn your head and gaze at the tip of the left middle finger. Remain in the posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Inhale, slowly come up. Repeat the same procedure from the left side. Benefits of Trikonasana. It prevents flat foot, strengthens calf, thigh and waist muscles, makes the spine flexible, improves lungs capacity, found beneficial in the management of lumbar spondylosis.
Yoga is not only for health benefits, it is way beyond that. Practicing yoga strengthens our body, relaxes our mind and soul. Practice these asanas at home. Be with yoga, be at home. Thank you.